Hey guys, it's your favorite crafter Shondell of shondellsdecor.com, and today's video I'm going to show you the glue gun and the drill that I use on most of my projects. They're both made by Ryobi. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Go do that right now before I start. Also, don't mind this craft room here of mine. I'm working on a few things, so it's a little messy. All right, so we're gonna start first with the gun. So this is how it looks. The gun itself comes without the battery pack. When you purchase it like this for around $24 to $29.99. You can get it from Amazon or Home Depot. It uses the large glue sticks. So now the battery, it uses a 18-volt lithium battery. Then you have to have the 18-volt battery charger as well. So these two you can purchase together in a pack or separate if you want. The pack together is around $15.99 at Home Depot. And it goes in, it just snaps in very easily. And then the side here, you squeeze both sides and take it out. The battery, I believe, usually lasts around 3 to 4 hours, but I purchased two. So while I'm using the gun, one is charging. So once it dies, I just take the other one, pop this one back into charge, and there's no issues. And I use it pretty often, mainly on large items like centerpieces. But since I've been using it for a while, I also use it on cake toppers, cupcake toppers. I would say to people, don't use it on small products if you're not that used to it yet. Like after a few months of getting used to it, because it's very, very, very hot. Like I would say 10 times hotter than the average glue gun, because this is not a glue gun that's marketed to crafters necessarily. See this little waves here telling you it's hot? It's very hot, believe it. So now we have here the drill. Oh, I squeezed it, see? So the drill's battery, I think it's a little cheaper. I have to double check, but I will add the links at the bottom. So let's say around $40, $50 you're gonna pay, but it uses a 12-volt lithium battery. So you will not be able to use the charger for both. The base looks like this. I only purchased one because I don't use this as much, but I do use it around the house a lot. So same thing with the two pieces. You squeeze. I have my nails, so it'll take me a little more. And snap it right back in. And that's how you charge it. With the drill also, you can buy like a wide variety of drill bits. So you just turn it to unscrew it. And the insides there, those three little things, they loosen up. And you just take them out and you replace them by putting them in and then tightening that piece. So they have individual package of different drill bits. It's called Docket. See, I have 3 different ones. So each one have different types of drill bits. All of mine, as you can see, I use this one a lot. It's different size circles here that'll drill. So if you want to drill a circle instead of just a small hole, this is the package that you need. See this one, same thing. Just a variety. I usually go in Home Depot and just look through all of them to see which one I need. So look at how tiny this is and look how thick this is. So usually these are what I use when I'm doing centerpieces. As you can see, I don't even have all of them in there. And they vary in price between $9.99 to maybe $19.99. But the $19.99 ones, the package is way bigger. It's not this size. It's much bigger with more variety of sizes in there. So those two here are my babies. I use them a lot. Especially the glue gun. I use the glue gun almost every day. The drill I use mostly around the house. putting things together. But that is it. These two are my babies by Ryobi. I've seen some other things I want to get from them, but you know, we'll talk about that later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you for the next video.